Hello, guys. I want to wish you a great weekend and do your best to be with your family, your best friends, your best people, and your children, and your wife or your husband, and that's it. And the weekend must be focusing on them. Probably 100%, maybe 80%, maybe 60%. But don't even go to 50% because you still got all the 5 or 6 weekdays and you will do other things. But your family, they deserve a better weekend. They deserve a better time, your children, your wife, your spouse, whatever. Just make sure you don't let them miss you while you should be there. All right. Happy weekend.